how to eliminate the echo sound inside Premiere Pro while using this microphone here. That's the voiceover. So if I speak into my microphone, then when clicking on that voiceover record button, it will count backward and I can hear my own sound. I'm not sure why it's distorted right now, but it's echoing. Okay, so to stop that echo, come here to Edit, Preferences, Audio. And on the window which appears, check this one, Mute Input During Timeline Recording. And close it with OK. Let's delete that old sound. Now if I push the voiceover record button once again, it's counting backward, but although it is recording, there is no echo from the microphone and from the speakers. So that's how to stop the echo while recording.